let's get some work done on this. So on this particular Jeep, we're going to be taking apart the intake plenum, and then we're going to take the valve cover off of the front side of the engine here, closest towards us, to take a look which of the cam followers is knocking or slapping, whichever, or ticking, whichever term you prefer to use. So to start off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect the negative terminal from the battery. That way the car is drained. Then we will take off our intake. That will follow. In order to get this off, this will have to be disconnected. This is going to be unhooked, just kind of laid off to the side. Disconnect all this wiring here in 3 different spots. Just pop it off the little clips and just move the wiring on the side too. Get this vacuum line off, remove this bracket, undo the 2 screws here, and then the 6 bolts right here. And yeah, we'll have to move this inside, I guess. It's gonna probably get in the way, whichever, but it's kind of a first one for me to take this valve cover off on this side. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. Okay, so here's the little culprit. If you can tell. Yep. So that was the issue there. And it kept hitting the top, corners of this little rocker afterwards because it drops so low. If you look at that one, then look at this one. See how high this one sits? Alright, so all we have to do is just pop that one back in there. It did put some wear on the cam lobe here. Let's see if we can get a close up. Yep. Anyways, and what I'm gonna do is put that, back in there. Okay. And that's that, so that's on. So when you put the valve cover back on, the one thing to pay attention to is don't just start ratcheting on these bolts that hold down the valve cover. Hand tighten every single one of them. Most people know this, but some don't. That's why I'm saying it. So just make sure that it's hand tightened, that it caught the threads properly, and it's moving in freely. before you put a ratchet on it and start stripping the threads. Anyways, especially on this car, since everything's such a tight fit. So whatever you can't reach, grab an extension with a proper socket, get in there, and then just feel it out, tighten it down, because you can still feel it, whether it's going in smooth or not, whether it's going through the threads. Okay, anyways, enough of these redundancies. Okay. Disconnect the negative. And there we have it, folks. No more tapping, no more kicking, no knocking. Sounds pretty good. Sounds real good. Alright, so the job is done. Thanks for watching. As always, press the subscribe button, share, like if you liked it, if it was useful, and until next time, peace.